All right, so we're here with Zany Maker Zach.
Hello, Zany Maker Zach here at the Midwest Rip Rap Festival.
Tell us about what you got going on, Zach.
So I have the 3D printed truss system from Dragonborn Studios right here, along with my handcrafted staff that's all the way up into the sky. And this is a little cooling booth where people can chill at. So we'll walk on through over to here. My community maker coins I love having people sign off on and get good old photos with. And this will be a big project in the future, definitely. So I have some of my armor here on display that I'm making. That's going to be full ebony from Skyrim, Nico Industries. And some chainmail here too, if you really like this stuff.
That's pretty cool. Is that print in place or?
It is printed in sheets, and then I assemble it, each single sheet with little individual rings.
Okay.
Yep. So.
I was a goldsmith, so I have some experience making some jump rings and some chainmail.
Carpal tunnel is that a little.
I'm fighting it.
Yep. So, and then we have some of the prop weapons I make here. You know, these are a little bit newer things to display. So, also some armor pieces. I'm scattered all over the place right now. We want to move on over. Here's some of the ongoing stuff that's been here for a few years, ever expanding, getting more color this year. From the Sentinel Cruiser, all famous Cloud Top Tavern.
So how much time do you have in something like this?
So this guy is 3,268 hours or 136 days.
It's impressive that you have that nailed down exactly.
Yep, it's, I've had a few times to say that over the years.
Yeah, I bet.
Yep. But yeah, full interior as well. I'll be opening this up at the after party hours.
Nice.
And this is the Just Our Dreadnought. This was one of my original prints that I started off with from 4 years ago at the Midwest Rip Rap Festival.
All right. So is this the same thing? Does this come apart like interior spaces and everything?
Full interior. You can actually see some inside this open door here.
Nice.
But yeah, so I'd say give a little tag out for my Instagram.
Absolutely. Tell us where we can find your stuff.
You can find me at Zany Maker Zach, Z-A-K, on Instagram.
And then, of course, where I found you, on Jerry's stream.
Yep.
Pretty much every Saturday.
Yep, definitely. Hey, you guys stay crazy.
Have a good one.
You too.